Imagine waking up here, inside this incredible valley, surrounded by endless green and mountains everywhere, even when the rain comes.
Welcome to the beautiful Swiss Alps, and right here in this peaceful valley we have a home that looks like a dream. Just look at this view. The wooden house, the flowers and the mountains make everything feel so peaceful. From above you can really see how special this place is. Green fields, little homes and mountains all around. The morning light makes this house look even more beautiful. It feels quiet, fresh and completely relaxing. I love how the garden blends into the valley. Nothing feels too busy here. It's simple, natural and beautiful. This balcony has such a cozy feeling. Imagine sitting here with a cup of coffee and enjoying this mountain view. Even the road to this home looks amazing. You get green fields, fresh air and beautiful mountain views along the way. Summer in Switzerland is something special. The bright green grass and colorful flowers make this valley feel alive. This terrace would be the perfect place to slow down. Just sit back, relax and enjoy the view. And now look at this golden light. The whole house feels warm and magical as the sun starts to set. This is the kind of view you never get tired of. Mountains, open fields and a beautiful home right in the middle of it all. After the rain, everything looks fresh and clean. The mountains disappear into the mist, giving the valley a peaceful mood. This morning view feels almost unreal. Soft mist, quiet mountains and warm lights inside the house. From the sky you can see just how beautiful this valley really is. It feels like a little piece of heaven in Switzerland. Imagine waking up here and hearing nothing but the sound of the water and fresh mountain air. As evening arrives, the warm lights inside the house make it feel even more inviting. This is true Alpine comfort. At night, everything becomes quiet. With the stars above and the mountains around you, this place feels truly special. And that's the beauty of this Swiss valley. A peaceful home, incredible mountains and views you could never forget.